Hi kids, how are you today? Yeehaw! Today we're gonna draw and paint a cactus. That's right. Now, do you know where cactuses grow? That's right, in the desert. Good job. They're quite spiky, aren't they? There are all different types, but we're gonna draw this one. So we've got a flower on her head, a cute face, 2 arms, and we do some stripes down the face, body and arms. Some spikes, of course. She's smiley, but spiky. Now let's put her in a plant pot, because perhaps she could be on somebody's windowsill. There, time to paint. Starting with green, of course. We're going to paint every other stripe in with this green colour. It's quite a bright green, almost minty. Painting around her facial features very carefully. As usual, you can change up the paintbrush if you want to be very careful. Shall we name her? What do you think she should be called? How about Sally? Spiky Sally. Alternating with a different green colour now. This one's more of a lime green. So this is a great technique to use in art, where you use different shades of the same colour side by side. Wow, she's looking super cool. Maybe Carrie the cactus. What do you prefer, Sally or Carrie? Maybe you've got your own name suggestion. You can type it in the comments below. One more stripe to go. And she's almost done. Excellent. Great job. Finishing touches. Now the flower. Yellow in the middle and pink for the petals. Pretty in pink. And if you wanted, you could draw more flowers. And orange for the pot rim and brown for the main pot. Brilliant! Really makes her stand out. There you go. You did an absolutely brilliant job at that. Well done! You have a cactus.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!